Okay, hey guys, this is Christopher and the newest person to the channel. Look up his channel and subscribe. Corbin Grace. He's trying to start the fire right now, which is not going very well. You can see the moon right up there. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Don't burn yourself, bro. But yeah, we're gonna spend the nights out here 2 nights or three. You never know. But
my mom probably said that they're going to a family reunion on Saturday, so.
Yeah, I will, whenever we get the fire started, which will be in like 1 second, I'll tell you. Well, bro, you got it started? Nice. Look what Corbin did. But,
Mosquitoes got me.
oh, the fire will draw them away. But, we are finally getting the fire started. Here in about 10 minutes, we're going to eat and try to get some sleep. We'll stay up a little bit longer, bro.
Let me see that. Let me show them what mosquitoes did to my arm.
Oh my god, bro.
It's kind of hard to see. Well, yeah, they can't see. Anyways, there's like big bumps on my arms now. Mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
But,
Really itchy.
this should be my 3rd video. Cassie, Brett, Anna. Whenever y'all see this, which I bet y'all will, bro, go get some more firewood. It's getting pretty dark. Now that I got light, you can see me. Corbin's fire is going out.
Go get some firewood while I try to start it back up.
Okay, well, guys, I'm gonna go get some firewood. I'm gonna leave y'all with Corbin.
No, just take them with you. What do you want me to talk about?
I don't know. I'm gonna bring this.
Oh, by the way, what we have for a drink is body armor.
Body armor.
It is pretty delicious.
Tell them what flavor it is.
This is strawberry banana, as you can see there. Yeah, and we also have some oranges and apples. As you can see, our tent is right here. There's a hole in there right now. We're trying to fix that. And the fire is not going so well. Guess I'll wait for Chris to get back. Just so y'all know, I have no clue what I'm doing here. Just burnt myself. Yeah, so Christopher getting firewood right now. I'm just sitting here, twigs, listening to twigs break. Right over in that direction. Kind of freaking me out, but okay. Anyways, Christopher will be back soon, so yeah. We were gonna get some MREs and all that, but yeah, we didn't have the money, as usual. But see, if you support this YouTube channel, we'll have more money to go on more camping trips, get us more supplies, a better tent, more food, and more, of course, more body armor. Ain't that right, Christopher? Okay, he's not responding to me. Yeah, the fire has gone down completely.
Oh, I scared you.
Put it on there. The fire's gone down. Did you seriously go get wood all the way from down there?
Yes,
Bro!
That's the dryer. I only got 3 pieces. Okay, what do you say to the viewers?
I was telling them that they can, if they go onto this channel and subscribe and leave a comment below. And do all that, we can get more money for more camping supplies and probably,
bring them into the tent, bro.
hopefully a better tent.
Yes, hopefully.
Because this tent is very small here.
Okay, guys, we got, oh, here's mine.
We got some stuff for making s'mores, beef jerky, some Pringles, apples, oranges.
Somebody can never get the fire to start.
Shut up. So which side's mine?
This side. Thought you were gonna bring blankets and stuff.
I don't know. I guess I can, but the light just went out. So the light just went out. So
there's a pocket charger outside.
Barely low. Flash is unbeatable. Here, take this.
Okay. Guys, we didn't make it through the entire thing. It's currently 1:35 right now, and because we heard some big noises, like something big, and well, we're gonna do it tomorrow, see if we can make it through it, but we will update you then. See you in the next video.